In this video, you'll learn how to create multiple wallets on Trust Wallet. By following these steps, you will be able to manage several wallets conveniently within the app. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Google homepage. This is the first step in accessing the Trust Wallet extension. Once you are on the Google page, you can proceed to the next action. Next, search for the Trust Wallet extension in the Google search bar. After entering your search term, locate the official Trust Wallet extension link in the search results. Click on this link to access the extensions page. Once you've opened the Trust Wallet extension page, look for the option labeled Settings. This can typically be found in the extension menu. Clicking on Settings will allow you to manage your wallets more effectively. After accessing the Settings menu, find and click on Manage Wallet. This section is dedicated to wallet management. Upon clicking it, you will see options related to your current wallets. Next, find the option that says Mnemonic. Clicking this will lead you to a section where you can add or import wallets using mnemonic phrases. After that, select Add New Wallet. This option allows you to create or import additional wallets into your Trust Wallet interface. Once you click this, you will be prompted with further options. You will now see the choice labeled I already have a wallet. Click on this option to proceed with importing an existing wallet. This is crucial for managing multiple wallets effectively. Following this, you need to select the existing wallet you wish to import. Make sure to choose the correct wallet to avoid any issues. Once selected, you will move on to the next step. Now, click on Other Mobile Wallet Extension. This option will guide you towards importing your wallet using a specific method. A message will appear indicating that you can import using a secret recovery phrase or private key. At this point, you will need to type in your wallet address. Ensure that you enter this information accurately to avoid any discrepancies. Once you have entered the address, you can proceed to the final step. Finally, click on Import. This will finalize the addition of your new wallet. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few moments. Once the process completes, you should receive a confirmation that your wallet has been successfully imported. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.